ISEVEN function returns the logical value true if any cell has numeric value even. If any cell has numeric value odd, this function returns the logical value false. This function has only one argument. In number argument, select the cell reference which has numeric value that you want to test, whether it is even value or odd value. In number box, select this cell reference, click OK. Function returns logical value true in this cell. Because this cell has even number value. Active this cell. Click More Functions arrow button. Click ISEVEN function. In number box, select this cell reference. Click OK. Function returns false in this cell because this cell has odd value. Paste the formula in other cells. Double click. Active this cell. Function returns the logical value true in this cell because this cell has even number value. Function ignore digit 5 after the decimal point and test 12. As 12 is even number, so function consider 12 as even number. As a result, it returns true in this cell. Active this cell. Function returns the logical value true in this cell because this cell has even number value. As this cell has date value, if you convert this date value in number value or in number format, you will have even number value. So IS function returns the logical value true if any cell has numeric value even.